wildfires. We've had our fair share of smoke and haze this summer. Some of you might be experiencing breathing issues or cold-like symptoms. Now, the question is, are the symptoms due to smoke or COVID? We talked to a pulmonologist at National Jewish Health about this very issue, and the doctor said to pay attention to how long you are feeling sick or that you're coughing.
You're someone who, when you exercise, you notice yourself coughing and it doesn't seem any different and you don't feel sick beyond what you would expect, then you're probably okay.
Now, the air quality should improve a little tomorrow, but that haze is still going to be around. Dr. Gerber says if you have a sensitivity like a lung condition or you have young children, it is best to exercise a little more caution.